Alright, here's the crossing tour I said to a couple years back of Washington Street. This is Washington Street in Athens, Alabama. Also a slight update here, as I'll show in a minute. Anyways, we got two signals here. This is the first one. It is a cantilever signal. As you can see, it's a Modern Industries cantilever. Then you got the emergency information where you can see the dot number is 352073G. And this at milepost 00023.293.75. Lights are Modern Industries 12 by 24 inch lights and mast lights with plus second generation LEDs. And that's a look at the back showing that they are indeed Modern Industries. And the overhead lights are two pairs of Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch lights. Just about the only, it's on the last few, these are the only 12 by 20 inch lights left on the main line for the CSX SNA North Subdivision. There's a couple on a branch line in Lewisburg, but that's about it. Then you got General Signals Type 1 electronic bell up there. My battery's on low, so I'm going to try to avoid zooming too much. And I'm going to hop on over here. We got a fabricated metals base. Then you got the emergency information. Lights on this signal are all safe turn 12 by 24 inch lights with plus no bell on this signal. But the quick update is going to tell you all about is that here CSX is about to be upgrading this crossing. New signal foundation there. And then over here we got two more signal foundations. It looks like these are going to be for pedestrian gates. I'm suspecting they're just going to reuse the existing foundations from the foundation for two existing signals on the new ones. And right over here is the relay case, and this is on the CSX SNA North Subdivision between Birmingham, Alabama, and Nashville, Tennessee. That one's looking more towards Nashville. That way's looking south towards Birmingham through Decatur. And for this guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it. So yeah, this is the Washington Street Railroad crossing in Athens, Alabama on the CSX SNA North Subdivision. Over and out.